Hi everyone, I'm Jan, and I'm out on a limb with Kim.
Hi everybody. We are here looking at Jan's
2019 Nissan Frontier.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's only 4-cylinder. And I just got the topper for it, or tap is what the real word for it is. I got that in July. And I did a little build out myself. I'm not the best carpenter, but
Oh, let's see.
welcome to my home on wheels.
This is really nice.
Thank you.
I really like your
Got this from you.
tent. Oh, nice. Little living room in
My
here.
little living room gave me more space. I can stretch out. I use my little step stool for my footstool when I'm sitting in my rocker.
Look at this. This is
Got lots of storage
awesome.
underneath. And I built that, and there's storage inside.
So you have this here. This is good.
These are kitchen mats, like you would go in front of your sink.
Yeah.
And they're real thick, cushiony, so when I crawl in on my knees, it gives me a little cushion.
Yeah.
And the bed is like this. So I put a piece of thin plywood on there so I wouldn't have to deal with the ridges.
That's all you need.
Yeah. Yep.
And your bed is did you
it's
make
in
it?
3 pieces. Yeah, and I've zip tied the pieces together, so if I need to take it out so I can use it as a truck, I just and take it apart, and then when I'm ready I can zip tie it back together.
Cool.
Yep.
Now the whole thing is nothing but storage?
Yes, the whole thing, except for,
That's
you have the
awesome.
tire well, so I had to, accommodate around that.
Did you make these?
I did.
Awesome.
And-
They're really pretty.
I made that. And this is dragonflies.
Oh, that's so nice.
And I made the pillow cover, the pillowcase, and I made the pillows. So as you can tell, I love sunflowers.
Yeah, they're pretty.
The cover that's there, that is one that goes in your windshield. And it has the suction cups.
Yes.
So I just suction cup it onto there. And then when I get ready to leave, I'll just pull it down so I can see out my rear view mirror.
Perfect.
And I have the curtain I close at night. I have to take it off and slide it across. I've got hooks up there. It's a fiberglass top, so magnets don't work for me.
Okay.
So,
Oh, it's very pretty.
and
Oh,
this
I
I
like
got
that.
at Goodwill.
Oh, cool.
And I made the window covers myself.
Did you? No. Okay. Oh, they're nice. I like how it's one piece. I like that.
I used an old curtain that's insulated
Yeah.
and used paper and cut out the size and whatever I needed, and yep, since I'm a sewer.
Good for you. This is nice.
Thanks. The top lifts, it's 2 sections.
Now, do you ever sit on it?
I can. Yeah, I can. I built it so it would hold my weight. That stuff there goes underneath the bed when I'm traveling, but for easy access,
Yeah.
I just sit it
Oh,
up
it's
there.
perfect. You have a lot of room in there.
I have quite a bit. I was originally going to put the bed crosswise. I would have had to, I kind of lay with my knees bent anyways, but after thinking about it, I decided to do it long ways.
I like it this way.
Thank you.
I mean, you have a bed.
Yeah, with storage.
I mean, it's awesome.
This is 2 1.5 inch
So you have
memory foam.
Okay.
It really does need more.
That's
And girls, cold camping, you definitely need a wool blanket.
wool blanket. I don't have one.
That thing is so toasty warm. When I was here in March, I was pretty cold.
Wow.
It didn't help I was in a tent.
Oh, that's right. I
Yeah.
remember that. Here's all your dishes. So this is nice. You have
Yeah, I can cook on here.
yes.
This
is
Do
perfect.
all my food prep here, and here's my household dishes that I washed earlier.
I don't see very many trucks.
So, you know what this is?
I do know what it is. But
Wash it really good, fill it up with water, and this is my little hand washing
Hand washing,
station. Or,
nice.
if I need to rinse something off real quick.
yes.
and it holds quite a bit of water. You know, I just
Where do you store your stove? Under the bed?
I store it under the bed.
Okay, and where do you keep your clothes?
I have a bin underneath there. Probably if I do longer, I'll probably use like a duffel bag type thing. I'm gonna do something in the back seat for storage probably. Right now I just got everything crammed in the seats, like, you know, I used 2 coolers this time instead of my little
it's a rocker.
fridge. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So where's your cooler? Up front?
Yeah, they're, oh God.
It's okay. Well, you.
So I mean, I have a lot of storage in my whole back.
You do.
You know? So
oh,
my
wow.
chair goes here, my canopy thing goes there, and I still got plenty of room. So that's why I'm saying I could build something across here.
Yeah.
For
you could sleep back there too if you had to.
I could.
I mean, I don't know why, but
yeah.
And then you keep your cooler right there.
Yeah.
And the cooler right there with food.
Because I knew it wasn't gonna be that hot, and we're only here for a short period. A cooler inside of a cooler inside of a cooler with frozen water bottles.
Okay,
and
they're
they're
still nice
just
and cold.
now starting to unthaw. Yeah, this has still got ice.
Oh wow! What about your power station? What do you have? Blue Eddy?
It's a Blue Eddy, I think 600.
Okay. Does it do everything for you?
I haven't really used it a big lot.
Okay.
I charged my phone last night. I didn't bring my refrigerator. I think my fridge, I tested it. I think it'll last about 5 hours.
Okay.
My electric blanket, the same.
Okay. So you can do them both?
Not at the same time.
Oh, no. I need another one too for my blanket. So you tie these on your wheels. This is a nice tent. Oh, and I like your little lights.
I think I got those at Dollar General.
Oh,
Butterflies.
so cool.
I didn't even realize it and think about it when I got them. It's a little window. I can roll it up, get air in there. And it has legs, so you can lift that part of it up. It can be used on an SUV or a van as well.
I like it on the back like this.
Yeah.
I gotta try mine like this.
So before I got this, when I would close, not this, but when I would close this, I would get rain pouring kind of in the edge here. And now I don't have to deal with that. These are Kimmy stickers.
Hey! Oh, there's Save the Bees and Radiate Positivity. And then, of course, we have the 2 meetups. Oh, nice. I really like this.
Thank you.
And you have a rocking chair, which is really cool.
Got it on clearance at Walmart.
Oh my gosh, I like that a lot.
Yeah, it's so comfy.
And you got your rug, and
I
you just
sit
put your
back
rug
and
right
use
here.
This for my footstool. What is it?
The rug, you just roll that up,
Roll it
and
just throw it in the, I throw it in the back.
you got a table over there, trash can,
Yep.
your bug spray. Wow, this is nice. I don't see very many people in the trucks. I really don't.
You know, you got to be limber though, because at night I close up the tailgate and I have to climb over the tailgate and reach through and close a window.
Oh yeah.
So.
Oh, I like it, Jan, a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting me see it.
You're welcome.
How long have you had it?
So I got the topper in July.
Okay.
And before that, I came to some meetups. The first time I borrowed my daughter's Dodge Grand Caravan, and I just used a blow-up mattress. And then the next time, I tent right here.
Yeah.
My tent. And then when we went to Jacksonville, I had my topper. And this is the first time using my canopy, and I love it.
Isn't it awesome?
It was the best investment.
Makes such a difference.
Yes.
I'm telling you, I love mine.
Everything's dry up underneath there, and we had pretty good strong rain today.
Wow. It's very nice. Now, what are your thoughts on the vans? Do you ever think about upgrading, or are you just thinking this is it? You can do this?
For now,
yeah.
I have about another 2 years of payments on my truck. And I might invest in a van. Or I may wait until, you know, as long as I can stay limber and I can climb in. Stay young, girls, stay young.
That's it.
I do stretching exercises and stuff every morning, so try to stay
Good,
limber.
good.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. I think I'll call her Misty because she's Misty Gray.
I like it.